As most of you know that this particular year FTI has changed the examination pattern, which means paper 1 will be evaluated first, which will have a MCQ question. Now there are two parts of this MCQ you need to remember. One is about art, culture, dance, painting, music, cinema, and there's another one for which they have categorically mentioned on page number 59 questions specifically related to the chosen area of specialization. What does it mean? It means that earlier they call it as a MSQ, which will have two alternatives or three alternatives. But this particular year, this section of MSQ has been converted into the MCQ and mixed with the general kind of MCQ, but they have not specified how many such questions would be there. Now, since they says every question carry 2 marks, which means 60 marks means 30 questions. So we assume that out of 30, there should be roughly between 10 to 15 such questions, which will constitute 50% of the marks, around 25 to 30 marks, I assume. So for this particular year, for acting student only, we are having a 3-hour class related to various acting techniques, as well as question related to Natya Shastra and other related part of the acting, which can constitute the technical MCQ of 25 marks. So those of you who are interested in joining this 3-hour class, they are most welcome. Details are given below over there. This class would be conducted on 25th of July from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. That is a part 1, only for acting student. Then there is another class of general MCQ, which is suitable for everyone, whether it is for direction, cinematography, editing. Now this class of 3 hours would be conducted from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, which would be conducted by me. So there is mainly the cinema, then art in general, which means painting, sculpture, dance, music, architecture, photography, theater, literature, and any other important award which is being given this particular year. And if you are interested in enrolling for it, you can join here. Details are given below.